This is gonna be your 90-90 hip switch. So I'm gonna start here in this 90-90 position. You can see here my knee is bent, so my knee is at a 90-degree angle. My torso to my thigh is another 90-degree angle. And then I have a 90-degree angle on this back knee as well, is the idea. And then all we're doing for the hip switch portion is I wanna rotate. As I rotate, that back leg follows. So I open up through the back leg, I'm leaning back, and now I'm supported on both hands. And then I kind of just windshield wiper and follow along with that trail leg, rotating my torso through, so now I'm in the start of my opposite side. Back leg and hand sink together, take that breath in. As I reach the end range, and then follow. One smooth fluid movement. So I'm getting thoracic rotation, I'm getting hip external rotation simultaneously, I'm getting shoulder extension, I'm getting hip abduction, I'm getting hip adduction, and then I'm getting internal rotation on that back leg. Lots of things going on here, and I'm syncing it with the breath. Big rainbow, squeeze and then rotate. Staying well supported in this position, so don't rush it. There's no need to rush this one. Big arches with the hands. Really opening the hips, opening the thoracic. And that is your 90-90 hip switch.